Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are playing Stacky Birds. And sorry about the stuff at the start, I'll trim that out, I promise. Might not see it, because I probably would have trimmed it out. So yeah, daily reward, okay, I'll pick that one. Cash. Yeah, okay. So I've played this game, I'll tap to start, then I'll build up. Tap to build. I am on phone. Oh, good job. I've been building then. Oh, finish line. 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 Oh, that was close, guys. Did you see that? I was building so high up. That. Yes, wait, what? Okay, I'm so close, guys. I'm so close. I am so close, guys. Oh. This is an ad. This is an ad. I might trim this part out as well. Ads. Ads, annoying. Annoying ads. Okay, I'll get to the next level. Oh, guys, wasn't that close? Perfect. I'm so close. So close, guys. What am I doing, guys? I'm going to try and get really high, guys. That's probably going to be impossible. Impossible! Yep, I'm on the last level. So close! Yes. So close to add. Okay. That should be higher enough for them. Oh, they're going in the road, guys. Look. Oh, is it? Outside my window, there's some kind of something out there. There, the black screen is just loading. Wait, it's telling me to play it, but I know I won't. So yeah, it's only part one of Stacky Jump. Okay, finally. What do I do? What do?
You want any of the boys?
No. Sorry about that, guys. Having technical issues. Now we're in the moon place. Oh, guys, did you see how close that was? That was so close. I'll get to that golden pig. There, just say golden pigs. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh. Oh, guys. Look. Look, look, look. So close. I'm so close. I'm so close. What is this game? Ooh, 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 ooh. Now I can do the X. Don't want to flip it, because I'm not flipping. It'll just take me all the way into the store. Mm. Guys, I did it! I did it! I did it! Okay, 2 more levels, then I'm on the vid. Man, that was close, guys. That was really close. Yay. Okay, after this level, not another one. Not another. Actually, it's maybe I'll turn these down. Sorry about that, guys. That's my Play Store. That's my Play Store. Nope. Now 3 points for Mr. Green. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Make it back on Stacky Bud. Yeah. Shoot. Shoot. Done. Is that just a level? Guys, going on the vid right here. So bye. I'll make a video tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And bye. Bye. I'll make a part 2 of this. I promise you. I for sure will.